Hi everybody, I'm Mark Trafford, and next Wednesday, the 12th of March at 7:30, I'm joining Steve Goodey, hosting a webinar on renovating and how to make serious money from it. So whether you're a seasoned investor, a newbie, someone wanting to learn how to trade, or just wanting to learn how to renovate your own home, this is a must-see for all of you. I'm going to talk about why now is a good time to renovate, how to get the best price from tradies at the moment, how to stay safe, including health and safety and insurance liabilities, both from contractors' point of view and from your own point of view. And I'm also going to share with you some of my recent trades and show you how you can make serious money from trading and renovating, and how I make more than $100,000 on average per trade. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you 12th of March, 7:30.